What's going on, guys? This is Abdullah Ahmed, and I'm starting my video series on Javafx, in which I built LMS system, which is a basic app, contain two panels. One is admin panel, and the second is student panel. In admin panel, there is login, and admin can register students and set their attendance. And when we go to the student panel, there is a login page in which we enter those credentials like this, and the name of the student is shown, and the dashboard, and here the attendance is shown, and login button. In this app, I have used file handling to store my data. So see you in the next video.